You know, administration. Yeah, I've seen scams over the days. Scams. Pfizer, those kids, they don't announce it until after the vote when they hit it before the vote. And again, Americans are sitting there going, you know, give me a break, please. Do we have to have this kind of polarization even on a vaccine? Are you going to take the vaccine, Harry, like that? I am. Are you?
I would. This is a big argument we have to live with, but I would in a heartbeat, yes.
All right, I'm going to take it. And because I don't...
I'll tell you what, why don't you take it first, and then you report back to us, and then I'll follow you.
But I want to give you my reason. I don't care if I turn into a zombie. It doesn't matter to me. Because then I don't have to pay a lot of taxes. I just...
Oh, you'll have an excuse not to pay.
Yeah. So if I turn into a zombie, that's all right with me. So I'll be first online.
Listen, I have faith in the medical researchers and those that, you know, there are people, Bill, this is pretty fascinating, different obviously than the things we do, that devote their entire lives to viruses. And they've never broken down the sequence of a virus this quickly. January 21st this year was the first identified case. What a hell of a year this has been. And now we have the vaccine. We have two vaccines.
Earlier you talked about going to the moon. This achievement rivals that. And I'll just say one more thing about it because it's so impressive to me, who knows nothing about medical science. I know nothing. Where are the other countries in the world? They're not close. No one is close. They're waiting for us. Once again, America, once again, we come to the rescue of the world. Where is that story? Where is that story?
But Bill, you're talking about American greatness and American exceptionalism. That's out of fashion, apparently, and gets you in trouble with the woke crowd. But, all right, all things for Bill O'Reilly at BillO'Reilly.com. Sir, simple man, thank you very much for being with us.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. Are you going to be following social distancing, mask guidelines, and hiding out in your basement bunker, or what?
No, I'm going to be throwing pie at people.
As they walk by your house.
Yep.
All right. All right, this year your traveling plans might not be the same as usual, so why not revisit the past? Our friends at Legacy Box, guess what? They have a safe, affordable way so you can digitally preserve all of your family's home movies, all of your family photos, currently trapped or dated in formats like VHS or film, and Legacy Box can help keep the footage organized and safe for years to come. By the way, you can make this a gift for everybody in your family. The service could not be simpler. You pack, you send.